Right, this is a song about a alley cat from the city of Glasgow called Sam the Skull. I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a Glasgow cat, and my name is Sam the Skull. I've got claws on my paws like a crocodile's jaws, a heat like a farmer's ball. I'm no the kind of cat that sits on the mat, no the kind that you give a hug. I'm the kind of cat that strangles the rats and even the occasional duck. I roam around down Shettleston, where they all know me by sight. Here's a skull, here's a skull, you can hear them yell as they vanish into the night. The police station to Norway has bars on the window sill. It's no to keep the prisoners in, it's to keep out Sam the Skull. I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a Glasgow cat, my name is Sam the Skull. I've got claws in my paws like a crocodile's jaws, a heat like a farmer's ball. I'm no the kind of cat that sits on the mat, nor the kind that you give a hug. I'm the kind of cat that strangles the rats and even the occasional duck. Well, one fine day, no so long ago, they all had had their fall. They sent for the SSPCA to come and catch the skull. There's nobody can get out when he's roaming about, chasing all the wains up the close. Being on the stairs, scratching his arse, and sitting there picking his nose. I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a Glasgow cat, my name is Sam the Skull. I've got claws in my paws like a crocodile's jaws, a heat like a farmer's ball. I'm no the kind of cat that sits on the mat, nor the kind that you give a hug. I'm the kind of cat that strangles the rats and even the occasional duck. Well, out came the men about 10:30, a wee blue escort van. Round the back, one with a sack, one with a mallet in his hand. I watched them run round the back of the house, I casually strolled to the van. Jumped in the front, I was off, everything had gone to plan. I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a Glasgow cat, my name is Sam the Skull. Claws in my paws like a crocodile's jaws, a heat like a farmer's ball. I'm no the kind of cat that sits on the mat, nor the kind that you give a hug. I'm the kind of cat that strangles the rats and even the occasional duck. You'll hear them say down Shettleston way what happened to Sam the Skull. He had claws in his paws like a crocodile's jaws, a heat like a farmer's ball. Well, you can tell them for me, I'm still running free, and never a day is dull. It might seem absurd, but I'm living with a bird in a flat in Maryhill. I'm a cat, I'm a cat, I'm a Glasgow cat, my name is Sam the Skull. Got claws in my paws like a crocodile's jaws, a heat like a farmer's ball. I'm no the kind of cat that sits on the mat, the kind that you give a hug. I'm the kind of cat that strangles the rats and even the occasional duck.